Hello everybody, welcome to my first Blender tutorial. And also this is my first video on my YouTube channel. I would be so happy if you subscribe me and like my video if you want. Today we are going to make those cube to this little robot. So let's do it together. Alright, first thing first we are going to delete those objects. And after that hold Shift and A to make another cube. Zoom in, press G and Z to change the place a little up. Go to edit mode and you should make some loop cut here and another one here, and also don't forget it. It's so important to make another loop cut here. Now you have to hold Ctrl and press number 2 to have something like this. We should apply this modifier in modifier properties, but don't forget it. You should go back to object mode and after that you can apply this modifier. Okay, now we have to press number 3, zoom in and choose faces, press W and hold Shift to choose all of these faces. I'm going to choose these faces. I think we should choose something more. Yeah, we're going to select more faces, just like this. Now I think it should be enough. Now you should press W 3 times to go back to this item. Go back to object node. And after that, we are going to hold Ctrl and number 3 to add another modifier. Now I'm going to press E, but remember, I'm going to make the object a little back. And after that, I'm going to press S to scale down a little bit. Now I'm going to extrude it back and scale it down just a little bit, just like this, and extrude it a little bit, something like that. Okay, now we are going to have something like this. And now go back to edit mode because we are going to do something so important. I'm going to choose all of these faces to separate it. So I'm going to hold Ctrl and press left click, sorry. And after that, we're going to separate it. Press P and select the first one to separate this object from the other one. Because we are going to make robot size just here. Alright, it should be enough. We're going to make body right now, robot's body. And I'm going to make another cube. I'm going to scale it down a little bit and place it here. Hold Ctrl number 2 and apply this modifier. Go back to edit mode. Now we should smooth the object to see how is it going. No, it's not enough. So I'm going to add another subdivision surface. And yeah, it's better. It's so better. I'm not going to apply this modifier right here because I'm going to do something. Scale it. Select edges. Go down here and choose those edges to make it up a little bit. Press G and Z and make it up a little bit to make something like leg. Yeah, it's but the cute one, you know. I'm going to choose those vertex and make it up G and Z just like this. It should be enough. And now we are going to add some hands and make some eyes for it, and it's going to done soon. I'm going to make it bigger with scale it. It's alright. So I think we have some problem here. I'm going to fix it, but don't do anything because I'm going to check something. I'm going to choose those vertex to, can I fill this hole? Um, nope, I cannot fill it. No problem. We're going to choose another vertex. It should be good. After that, um, we are going to press E and S to scale it down. And here we go. It's alright, it's nice. Yeah, I feel happy with it. Now we are going to make hand. So for making hand, I'm going to add another cube, scale it down just like that. And I'm going to hold Control and number 2 to have something like this. Now we are going to apply the modifier that we just added. I can't. Oh, go back to object mode to apply it. All right. We should turn on this mode that we call it proportional edit mode. Now we can use this mode, but we should to scroll down it here when we press G. It's so important. When you press G, you can see this circle. Okay, it should be enough. Okay. If you have some problem with my robot's hand, this is your own problem. You can make another hand. I just want some cute hand. It works for myself. All right. I'm going to hold Control and number 3 to smooth it. I think it's all right. Add modifier properties. I'm going to add mirror and doing this stuff for hand. Yup. What kind of hand is that? I don't know, but this is the cute one. Okay. I'm going to make another plan just like this and scale it. Now I'm going to choose this and this one, and I'm going to scale it from Z and Y like this. Okay. Oh, sorry, turn off this item, this mode, I mean. For making robot eyes, I'm going to select faces, but I'm going to make eyes close to each other. Now, we should add lookout just like this, and after that, we are going to add faces. Let me to play with faces to choose what kind of eyes we are going to have. No, it's not good. Let's do it in order. Yeah, that's all right. That's so much good actually. Okay, for now we are going to choose material and add one material for whole object. Tab new, press new I mean, and after that we are going to make another one just for eyes. So press new and assign it. Press this item and choose emission, and when we are going to render, we're going to choose cycle and go to render mode. Now it's easier to see robot's eyes. We have some problem with eyes, but I'm going to fix it. It's not a big deal. Select this object and then go to edit mode. Let me to add some light. I cannot see anything. Sorry. Okay. Okay, now it's much better. Select the object, go to edit mode and delete the faces that it belongs to the robot eyes. Now we are going to back to modifier properties and apply subdivision surface that it belongs to this part. Okay, now we should choose these edges by holding Alt and Shift. When we select them, we are going to press F to fill it. And here we are. This is our robot's eyes. It's so good. This one is for eyes, and first one is for the other parts of robot's face. Now I'm choosing a color for face, and then I'm going to change roughness to 0. Okay, I'm going to select a smooth. It's all good now. Do not forget to smooth every places, every object. Alright, seems like a robot. It's going well. We don't have any problem. Now it's time to choose a color for other parts. I'm going to choose a color something like this, and after that I'm going to copy it to other part of the robot, just like this. And I'm going to rotate something like this. For example, the robot is looking down. It's all right. Actually, everything is done with the robot. I mean, I'm just playing with lights and adding another camera and playing with lights, and everything will be changed to something just like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I would be so happy if there was any problem. You can write comments, I will read it. And remember, this was my first video that I made it for my YouTube channel. And have a nice time, guys, and goodbye.